Hello everyone, welcome to this instructional video, and I'll be touching on comparing two independent groups on a dependent variable. So when you want to compare two independent groups on maybe on a variable of interest, what do? First of all, you need to identify your independent variable, which is the groups that you want to compare. This could be boys and girls, or a control group versus an an experimental group, that you want to measure them, whether they are different in terms of maybe anxiety scores or test scores in English or maths, or any, let's say, self-efficacy, anything that has been measured on on a continuous scale. All right. So let's say I have a question like, what is the difference between boys and girls in terms of their fitness scores? My independent variable is the boys and girls that I want to compare, and I want to compare them in terms of what their fitness scores. This is as an example of how the data would look like if you are to have your data in a statistical analysis software. So what is the right tool to use in order to compare these two groups? The independent samples t-test is the appropriate statistical analysis to run. And this is appropriate because I have two independent groups where my participant can belong to just one and one group only. And my outcome variable is measured on a continuous scale. This is an example of how the results will look like. I have my descriptives telling me the groups that I want to compare, and this is my overall test to see if the two groups are different or not. The p-value here is greater than 0.05. Therefore, I can conclude that the, the group difference is not significant at 0.05 significance level. So that is how to run an independent t-test. Should you need any assistance, please book an appointment with any of the GAs at the ASIC lab, and we'll be more than willing to help you. Thank you.